Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this pumpkin soya milk packed with all the nutrients of cashew nuts. So it's a very simple recipe. You just need 1 cup of soya beans, and then we are going to give this a really good wash. When it's clean, we are going to transfer this into our cooking pan, and then we are going to add some fresh water, and we are going to bring this to a boil. We are going to boil this for at least 12 minutes, and then we are going to peel the beans. While the beans boils, we are going to go ahead and prepare our pumpkin. We're just going to clean this. The pumpkin is really rich in fiber and carotene, and is so ideal. And we are using this much pumpkin. You can adjust how much pumpkin you use. It's all up to you. So now our beans has been boiling for 12 minutes, and you can see everything is floating. So we are going to get this out of the water. We're just going to strain this. Be very careful as it's very hot. We're going to discard the water that we used, and we are going to use a fresh water to peel our beans. To peel the beans, you just rub it in your fingers like this, and this is a substitute for not soaking the beans overnight. This way the beans will be degassed and it will be soft. And you can always strain the water, and then once you strain the water like this, you can see that we have a lot of peels we don't need. And here you're just going to add more fresh water. Then we are going to add our peeled beans, and we're just going to add our pumpkin at this point. Because the beans has already cooked for 12 minutes, we are only going to cook this for another 10 minutes. This will give it enough time to make the pumpkin soft. We have been cooking this for about 10 minutes, and you can always check if the pumpkin is almost cooked by by using a knife like this. You can easily poke through it. So if you are making this a lot of this, you can always take some at this point and refrigerate it. It's best to freeze it for future use. So at this point, you can go ahead and add the cashew. These are raw cashews, and we don't want to overcook them, so just about 2 minutes is okay, and then everything will be ready. Like I said, you can always refrigerate some at this point if you don't want to blend everything, and the next day you can just warm it, and then you can blend again. So one important thing about blending is you should always start with just enough water to get the blender moving. And as you go ahead, you can always add more water. This will give everything enough time to really juice everything and give you very good milk consistency. So this is how we always make our pumpkin soya milk. This is how it turned out. It was so smooth, it was so delicious. The pumpkin is really sweet, so you don't have to add a lot of sugar to this. The kids love it, and you have this at least once a week. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also leave your comments below and let us know how this goes.